Welcome to another video edition of Naked Friday. It's a special Naked Friday. Why is that? Because my little buddy, my sweet little buddy Sarah, it is her 30th birthday. You only turn 30 once, and what happens on your 30th birthday? You're a hag. That's what happens. You ain't married by now? You ain't got no kids by now? Well, let me tell you something. You're lucky, but you're a hag. And so now you get to be called a MILF, and people are going to start calling you ma'am. That really sucks when you get to that age, by the way. But anyway, happy birthday, sweet girl. Did you know when you were born, the average house cost $98,000? Gallon of gas was $1.18. The average car cost $6,800. How much did that monster that you drive around cost? A lot. Anyway, things have changed. The average income was about $22,000. I still haven't made that much per year. Anyway, baby, happy birthday. We miss you. Come on back from California. That state ain't got nothing we ain't got. They got McDonald's, we got McDonald's. What else you need? Anyway, sweet girl, mwah, I love you. Happy birthday. And this is how we do what? Get down on Naked Friday. Sweet girl.